Hi guys! So in the previous video I talked about the resources to speak and to write, and in this video I will show you how you can use a course book. So I will show you here. Here I have a course book for German, and here is the first pages of the chapter 2, and here we have for English, and this one we have for Swedish. And you can see that all the first pages they have pictures. Here we have some pictures. Here you can see that the course book always begin with pictures. And why they do that? They do that to give you a context, because when you use the language you always use in a context. So the first thing that the books try to do is to give you a context, so your brain can know what they will talk about. So your brain will remember the words used in this context. And with that, some books they have like, they show you what you will learn. You have it in German, you have it in English, and in this book in Swedish you have at the beginning of the book. So, and what you do with it, so there's not much that you can do, but you can go to the text or to the audio. In Swedish you have here a text. In English you have an audio, and in German you have an audio too. So that's the presentation of the words that you will learn, and with that you can get the vocabulary. In this case, in English, they put the vocabulary first, but I like to begin direct with the audio to try to understand the words that I already know, and after that I go to the words that I don't know. The same with Swedish. You can read the text and you can try to understand the words that you already know. You don't need to translate all things, because normally in the chapter they will work with the words, the new words. So you can try to understand what that's about, and the pictures will help you. And after that you can go to the grammar. Here, for example, the grammar is in this box. For the German one is in this box, and for Swedish they have it here, the explanation of the grammar. They do it because there is, in the language there is always you need always to communicate something, like someone wants to communicate you something. For that they needed the words. Here, for example, you have the words for Swedish, and the words are always connected with the grammar. So the relation between the words or among many words are made with the grammar. So you can understand why the words change or what is the meaning of some words to make the sentence. The same thing in German and the same thing in English. So in the next video I will talk about the resources teacher or partner and how can you use these resources the best way. See you. Bye bye.